morning from Wyoming. Yes, I am up early. It's 5:09 a.m. And you say, what in the heck are you doing up so early? Well, you wouldn't believe it, but I have a ticket to the We Robot event in California. I'm headed down to the Denver airport this morning from Saratoga, Wyoming. It looks like it's 203 miles here in the CyberBeast. Got to go up over the snowy range and then down to Laramie, then down Highway 287, all the way into the Denver area and to the airport. According to this, it looks like I'll be there at 8:31 a.m. I grab my flight, head to Los Angeles, and spend 2 nights there and hanging out with my buddies, and also enjoying the We Robot event Tesla's putting on for a few of us. This could be cool. Yeah. All right, well, I'm going to pay attention. We're going across the snowy range, and there is a lot of animals generally, and then at nighttime it's even more probably. Just entering the snowy range now. Got a ways to go. Self-driving works very well in the evening. It watches down the road, of course, and drives the car. In this case, the CyberBeast. Looks like we're getting close to Laramie here. Another 10 miles, maybe 8 miles. And no trip is even possible without a Scottish breakfast in the morning. All right, let's move it. And just getting out of Laramie now. Heading south-southeast here to the Denver area, where we'll hook up with Interstate 25 and head to the airport. Coming into Colorado here. And like that, we're in Colorado. Let's have a look around here.
In 1 mile, turn right to take the Interstate 25 south, US 87 south ramp.
I'm up here on Interstate 25 now, southbound. We'll be going here for a while. It says 20 miles, and then we switch over, I think, to the bypass going around right to the airport. Looks like ETA at the airport is 73 miles. look around here. I'm here.
Chevron, that's the one who has
Is it more expensive?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
So look, this is $579. The $589, the expensive one.
Wow. And then,
there's a Chevron over
Chevron
there.
is a little more expensive.
Yeah.
Wow. Well,
Used to be $8.
up street from the Warner Brothers studio. I understand 5-minute walk to In-N-Out. So I'm going to go over there and have some breakfast. Lunch. Oh, I'm going to have some dinner too. I understand the In-N-Out's just down from the hotel where I'm staying, so that's cool. Going to get a little In-N-Out for lunch. Here in Burbank. It's been about a 1.5 mile walk, but there it is. In-N-Out.
I didn't realize how huge this is.
Kevin and I are on the way to the meetup today and taking us right downtown LA here. I'll tell you, I lived in California for 41 years, and I will tell you that I haven't been down here for Oh man, probably 40 years living in North Carolina now. Anyway, we're using CarPlay here and trying to navigate the streets here to go and find the guys at the meetup here. But look at this. Golly, this is something. All right, 0.7 miles, we get off on 21.
This was coming out of Elon. Go to the station, wait there for the whole time. Those are the only hits I have. Oh, it depends about the That's 3 years of Tesla. That's the only advice.
Well, we're here at the meetup. It's a pretty famous taco truck place. Food, Teslas, Raphael and his Tesla Tino Cybertruck. It's looking awesome. Ah, good turnout. Everybody's here. It's looking good. Gonna go get something to eat, I think. Wow, the crowd has grown substantially here. A lot of faces you might recognize here. A lot of Tesla owners.
Two El Pastor and two Polo.
A lot of turnout.
We have different settings. Yeah, it's this whole. Okay, so. You make them all green. Okay. Like. Yeah. This is the third round. Oh no, hold on. Doing off Friday.
Well, look what showed up in the middle of the crowd. Is there anybody in it?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, is there? Oh, okay.
I think it's somebody at this event.
Oh, okay. How about that?
Not going nowhere. He's like,
Oh, wait.
I'm backing up.
Oh, what the heck?
Too many Teslas. He's left.
I know.
He's turning left. Here we go.
Hey, look at that. You can do it. You can do it.
There's probably somebody driving it.
It would have to be Omar in the way. Come on.
So we push it. We can all push it. Somebody talking to us. Oh, you're stuck. Yeah, you are. What are they saying?
Go away.
Who's that?
All right. Whoa, easy, buddy, easy. Easy, where are you going? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, wow. It is now 10:30, and everybody's still here. I think they'll probably peter out soon, but a lot of faces that you guys recognize. Yep, still a great turnout here. You know, if you lived in California and you like chocolate, See's Candies is probably one of the best chocolate you'll ever have here. And it turns out we're all standing right near their factory here in Los Angeles. See's Candy. Try it sometime. You'll find that their chocolate is absolutely awesome.